Wangi pai shaka birthday Chung snail blanang ken way Ki in ki sem ki pat ki pra Gim tip balay Kayat kayeng ki bril Mentala boss tang ki jing ma Sha ay pat genyen pai Baya kari bangin yada Snam ding ya pen yam kanus ngau share ke Wat ki jing pang ki baharu kam Kion hap sha birthday Sha engin shem ngin wat Ya ka jing suka ba shisha Lai tang shu blay yu ba lai chua ya pi bat nga
Wake up, been asleep for too long, we gotta stand up. We gotta see the light that hold us. For a moment we thought we're just strangers, but as we look deep, we're all the same. We share all the struggles, we bear all the pain. We get to realize that we're the people of God, and there's nothing that can hold us down. Let's take a moment to rewind to all the things that we've done in the past. We say that we're happy, but the end of the day we're still sad. Always remember that Jesus died for us and He has shown us the way. Now it's up to us, and I'm doing this for the kings of kings and for the glory of His name.
Come Holy Spirit, oh come once again.
Come once again.
Come spread your love in this beautiful land.
This beautiful land. Set us free. In Jesus we believe.
Oh Holy Spirit, come back, come and set us free.
Come and set us free.
We'll stand together as one. In Jesus we believe.
In Jesus we believe, and I ain't got no fear. I got the Lord by my side. I'm walking up this my redemption. I spread my wings, keeping my head up high. Keeping my head up high. Keeping my head up high. Come once again. In Jesus we believe.